on Boulder Canyon Trail. I'm gonna bike down the trail and see what it's looking like down in the area where I normally do. Look at a good place to start and get a good look at the river. Yeah, you know, just gonna scout it out, get ready for tubing season. The next couple of weeks here, into June, early July, we should be tubing like a zombie app. Definitely windy out here today. Right now the water is super high. I got the tube, but I'm not quite ready to do it yet because the water is just a little rapid right now. There's not a whole lot of action going on up here, really. Caught a couple of kayakers strolling by here. Right now I got my main setup doing a long exposure hyperlapse of the river.